Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a mystery box from Goddess Provisions. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Goddess Provisions mystery box just arrived, and I'm so excited to see what is inside because it's a mystery box, and you know your girl loves a mystery box. Now, this is supposed to have 19 products. It is supposed to have $180 or more value, and I paid $55. But we're going to dive in here. We're going to see, I did remove my milling label. We're going to see what is inside and see if it's worth the $55. And yes, right before filming, I just had to take a drink of something and must have had a hole in my lip. So that is what is right there. Lovely. Yeah. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see what's in here. So when you open her up, that is what it looks like right there. So the first item is going to be a little bit of mantras. An introduction to sacred sounds. Lily Cushman. So this is wondering about mantras? Then this is the book for you. When repeated with dedication and focus, mantras can serve as a meaning to help steady the mind and open the heart. Lily Cushman has written an acceptable introduction to these sacred sounds or syllables. It includes a brief history of mantras from different traditions around the world, mantras for peace, clarity, and more, and informal ways to apply mantra practice to your life. So that is amazing. On here, it says US would be $7.95 and Canada would be $10.95 for this book. I don't think there's going to be a card or anything because this is a mystery box, but that's something that had a price, so I wanted to let you know. So inside, it's going to go over all of the different mantras and give us some insight and some, I don't know, a chakra system. So I'm actually excited to read this over. So we have a book right on top, which is a little bit of mantras. So item number 1. Okay, so item number 2 is going to be in this little pouch. And I'm going to count at the end to make sure there's 19 here. Because it doesn't look like 19, but I don't know what's all underneath everything that's in there. So, all right, so now that I've gotten this knot out, not out, ooh, and you know what? I think we've gotten one of these before, and you can go to their site to find out which flower you got. And this one, sorry you guys, my new tattoo is killing me. That is what it looks like. There's the little flower that's in there. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, when we got this the last time, we could go to their website and see which flower and what the meaning was. So I don't know if this is the same one that I got before or not. I'm gonna have to check and see, because the flower inside even looks very familiar. So I might have even gotten this exact same one. Hopefully not, but if it is, then I'll save this for one of you guys, if I have the same one, because I won't need to. So then next is this guy, and is this a bell? Yes, this is a hand-turned rustic bell. I got one before from them that I loved. So I'm so glad to now get another one, because this is not the style. No, this is not the style that I had. So that's what it looks like. And it looks like there's just a little piece of wood up in there, up in there, up in there. Ring ding 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 ding. Ring ding 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 ding. That's what I have to say about that. So bell making is an ancient Indian craft with enchanted origins. Traditionally used by farmers to identify their livestock, each bell is hand turned to produce a distinctive chime made from recycled metals. And that's what the last one said, that they were handmade and they were all different. But this one looks definitely different than the last one. So I'm gonna definitely hang that up. That's really cool. So we have a bell chime. Now we have is something else in a little bag. All right, so it looks like it's just a little thing of clay with like a stamp that they made glossy. I'm glossy. So this says Essential Oil Chakra Stone, 1 of 7. Handmade from my hands to yours. 15% off code chakra. Instructions at soulcandy.co. C-O. This is Soul Candy, the company. So it's an essential oil chakra stone. It doesn't tell me like, does this open? No. So it doesn't tell me like what to do or anything like that. So if any of you guys know what I'm supposed to do with this, kind of let me know, because I'm still learning on all of this. This is how I'm trying to grow my collection and then learn as much as I can. So if you guys have any insight, let me know down below. But that is really pretty. And that's one of the chakras then. That's right in the middle. So there's that. So there's item number 4. Voila. So then in here, so this says Body Balance Aroma Concentrate, and it looks like the company is maybe YUNI, because it's kind of like ran together to make that symbol. This is Body Balance Aroma Concentrate. Directions: roll on at temples and under nostrils. Breathe in deeply for external use only. Don't be rubbing this anywhere that's not external. Just saying. Keep this external, you guys. All right, so I'm not gonna rub it on this one because I've got my stuff for my new tattoo on there. Ooh, that does smell really good. I don't want to look like I have Vicks under my nose. That does smell really good. Just in case. Be like, yo, clean that up. So now there's this thing. What in the world is this? It looks like there's crystals in there, maybe some amethyst, maybe some clear quartz, and maybe some rose quartz. I'm not quite sure, but because it doesn't say what it is, but it is very pretty, whatever it is. And there's crystals all inside, and it looks like little gold like flakes are up in there, but it's not like anything liquid, so nothing's moving. It's all settled in like a resin. Huh. Yeah, I'm not quite sure, but it's very pretty. Whatever it is. It's very pretty. So there's that. Then we have some stones. So let me just remove the plastic on all of these. Okay, so this one to me looks like a rose quartz. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a pendant for a necklace or if it's, I'm not sure, but I guess you could probably put some type of a chain through it. But there's that guy right there. Then we have some 3 mystery stones because I don't know which these are. I wish there would have been a name on them so I would know, but I do have a crystal book. I'm just gonna have to go through it all and try to figure out what these are. This one though, I have to say, is extremely beautiful. It has like greens and blues and teals and purples in it. That is just really, really different, unique, and beautiful. I love that. I don't know what that is. If any of you guys end up knowing any of these that I'm going to show you right now, definitely let me know, because if not, I'm just going to look through page by page on my book. This one I think I have had before. This is like a blue. It's really pretty. So there's that one. And then this is more like a mint green, like a light mint green color. That's very pretty too. So there's 4 different stones right there. Now we have this extra rich, these are cones, like incense cones. Okay, cool, cool. They smell good. Oh, they're little. Ganesh cones. I've never seen anything that little before. Look how little that cone is. But here's a bag full of these little cones. So there's that. Then we have Sacred Elephant Pure Luxury Incense, Kali, 13 luxury hand-rolled incense. There's the packaging. I love incense. I love the way that they smell.
I love walking into like the crystal stores and it all just smells so good. Like I would like to live in there. It smells so good. So we have 2 different types of incense in this box. Now we have is Calm Buddha Blend, a blend of serenity with rich floral flavors and kava, K-A-V-A, 18 tea bags. That's a really pretty package for tea. That is really pretty. Does it just open? Yep. What in the world? This opened and then this like popped out the bottom. So this must have been stuck to the bottom of it. And I've got this before. So this is probably gonna go in, hold on. Let's go what I'm going with first. Is there anything else up in here? No. So it basically just got stuck. Okay. So this comes with all of those bags inside. This is a really cool box. And that's what it looks like. And it says, by using the highest quality herbs, there is absolutely no need to include any artificial or natural flavoring. Enjoy the tea the way nature intended. And that is really neat. And that's what I was reading back there. So we have, was it 18 of them in here again? Yes, 18. So there's 18 of those guys in there. Then this was stuck to the bottom. Again, I have already received that. So this is the second dupe, but just to show you guys like that. And it comes in this really cute package. And it's just, it has a little hole in the top that you can run through a chain. So next we have is a shower steamer. Yay! This is a eucalyptus shower steamer. And it looks like there's flowers on there. Let me see. I don't want to make a mess, but I want you guys to see what it looks like because I see flowers or something in there. And then there's just a few more items in here. Yeah, I'm making a mess. Oh, holy hell. Ah, shit. I made a big mess. That's what it looks like. That's what that looks like. I should have just left it well enough alone, but I didn't. Because I couldn't.
Clean up on aisle 2. Clean up on aisle 2.
So now we have is this little jar here, and it says Grapefruit Baking Soda-Free Deodorant Cream. I'm good with my deodorant, so this is a product that I'm not going to use, but I'll go ahead and put this in a future giveaway. Maybe somebody out there would enjoy it. It says that it says gently rub a pea-sized amount into each armpit for external use only. Discontinue if rash or irritation occurs. Do not use on broken skin. So I'm not going to open it or anything, but it says it has all of the ingredients and everything on there. And yeah, so it's a baking soda-free deodorant cream. There's that. All right, now the next thing in here is I have, this is a sticker and it looks like a, is that a buffalo with the scene inside? That's really pretty. And then there's this big sticker. It says, raise your vibration with love and gratitude. That is really cool. I like that sticker. I can probably put that on a journal or something. And then there's these set of stickers, and I already have this set of stickers. So I'll probably just stick these in the crystal giveaway. This is a Rainbow Symphony, and they're a set of all different types of stickers, but when you have it and the light hits it, they're supposed to get like all rainbow effect. I've already gotten this from this company before, so I'll set this aside to that other giveaway. So I'm really glad that I got this because now I'm getting a few extra items to add to that giveaway that of everything that I've already bought. So now I'll add a few other things to it. So that is awesome. So that is everything that we got in this mystery box. There's no card or anything in here when you get to the bottom, so I don't know what the total value is, but again, it's supposed to be $180 or more and 19 items. So we have 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
and 19. You guys, we got all 19 items in this box. And again, I paid only $55 for all of this stuff. So I feel I at least got my value. If it's 180 or more, I'm not quite sure, but I am at least satisfied with the amount that I paid. So that is everything right there, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this mystery box? Did you think that this was worth it? Did you purchase one? If any of you guys purchased one, let me know. If you got similar items, if you got different items, let me know down below. If you did get one, if they are still available, I will link them down below in the description box. You can definitely check them out, or you can check out their monthly subscription box that they have, which I also bring, and that starts at the highest of $33 a month with free shipping, and it goes lower the more you prepay for. And I will link that down below as well. And I'm so glad to now bring this box back as the subscription box to my channel, and I'm really glad that I got this mystery box. What do you think? Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate that and every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.